I was treated like an animal. And after the video got viral, I didn't have any hope to continue living.
The way they tortured me was traumatizing. As a woman, my pride has been taken away from me. I can never be the same again.
The mob killed my brother and father in front of my eyes. I'm scared of crowds even now. I want justice for them too.
I still have difficulty sleeping and get nightmares even now. I find it hard to step out of the house. I feel scared and ashamed of meeting people.
They have suppressed us and made life a living hell. If all of us have to live peacefully, there have to be different lands for each community. When the mob killed the father and brother of the younger woman, I saw a police car on the roadside, but they did not step out to help. They were Meitei and less in number.
किसी भी सभ्य समाज के लिए ये शर्मसार करने वाली घटना है।
It is a democratic country, but the Chief Minister of Manipur is biased because he is Meitei. All of this happened under his watch.
I was demeaned by that crowd as a woman.
You know how Indian society is, how they look at women after such an incident.
I pray to God's words and my prayers help. He tells me that this is not my fault. I want to go back to college and become an army or police officer. It was always my dream. But after the attack, my resolve has strengthened. I want to be an officer who works for everyone in an unbiased manner.
I want to tell all mothers of all communities to teach their children, no matter what happens, never disrespect women.